I just came across an artificial intelligence indicator on TradingView that predicts trend reversals with remarkable accuracy. I've tested this indicator on the Bitcoin price chart in the 5-minute time frame, and the results were truly amazing. If applied correctly, the strategy can have a win ratio close to 100%. Combined with this volume-based support and resistance indicator, you can ensure no fake signals are given. Check out these profitable entries. This trading method is my favorite because it is based on indicators and price action. No one knows it yet, so be sure to watch the entire video as I explain everything step by step. I'll demonstrate plenty of trade examples so that even a beginner can understand this strategy. Dear friends, if you enjoy my content, please like this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies if you haven't done so yet. On this channel, I explain the newest and most accurate trading strategies in the easiest way possible. You know what else is easy? Trading with easy algo indicators. If you're tired of losing trades and looking for proven tools with a high win ratio, Easy Algo is your best choice. They offer some of the most advanced technical analysis indicators that will make you a market expert. In addition, you will get access to a VIP Discord community where you can chat, get support, copy other traders' signals, and learn trading skills 10 times faster. Hundreds of traders make consistent profits with Easy Algo. You can be one of them. Click the first link in the description and secure your spot today. Let's return to our trading strategy. In order to build the same setup you see on my screen, you'll need to first open any chart on TradingView and click on the indicators. The first indicator you're going to search for is called the Machine Learning Momentum Index. This tool was published by Xiamen. The second indicator you'll need is called Volume-Based Support and Resistance Zones by Tommy F. 1001. Don't worry about the chart looking messy. I'll show you how to fix this in a second. For that, you'll need to open the Support and Resistance Indicators setting and disable all time frames except the 2-hour one. I also like to customize the appearance of these zones. Once you're done configuring the indicator settings, click OK. The Machine Learning Momentum Index indicator settings will remain default. However, you can change these parameters to make the indicator more or less sensitive. Before I proceed with explaining the strategy's logic, it is worth mentioning that this method works well in short time frames like 5, 15, and 30 minutes. It is suitable for trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, major Forex pairs, and stocks. The goal of this trading strategy is to find a particular price pattern in the market. This pattern repeats itself over and over again, and its success rate is very high. The reason I'm using indicators to spot it is to make it easier for beginner traders. If you've been trading for a while, you might say, I don't need these indicators. I can do all the drawings myself. You might be right, but why do extra work when you have these helpful tools that don't involve any human factor? Just have a look at this volume-based support and resistance indicator. Because this tool is multi-time frame, you can select which levels from which time frame you want to be plotted. And let me tell you something. I found that support and resistance levels from higher time frames are way more accurate. The price respects them more often than current time frame levels. Lower time frames tend to have more noise, which means they contain more insignificant price movements that might not be indicative of the broader market sentiment. Higher time frames filter out much of this noise, making support and resistance levels more clear-cut and reliable. Another reason why these key levels are more significant is because more traders and investors monitor higher time frames. This means that when a price approaches a support or resistance level on a daily or 2-hour chart, a larger number of market participants are likely to react, reinforcing the strength of that level. On lower time frames, it's common to see price briefly breach a support or resistance level only to reverse quickly, leading to false breakouts. These are less common on higher time frames, making the levels more trustworthy. I hope this makes sense. Traders, before I show you the exact strategy, let me quickly walk you through this Machine Learning Momentum Index indicator. This tool represents the next step in oscillator trading. By blending traditional momentum analysis with machine learning, MLMI delivers a potent and dynamic tool that aligns with the complexities of modern financial environments. This indicator is similar to the Relative Strength Index. It consists of the prediction line, weighted moving average of the prediction line, overbought and oversold areas, and the zero level. The indicator gives a valid buy signal when two conditions are present. First, the momentum index reaches the oversold zone. Second, the blue line crosses over the green line. The opposite is true for valid sell signals. Any crosses that appear in the neutral zone cannot be considered as potential trade signals. So how can we use these two indicators together to find accurate trades? Pay close attention because I'm about to reveal the exact strategy. There are two ways or setups you can use for opening long and short trades. Let's start with the first one. This setup involves buying the security after a major resistance breakout to the upside. The idea is simple. When buyers push the price past a strong resistance level, this level becomes a new support. The market tends to return to this level to fill these buy orders. This is exactly the time we'll initiate a long position. However, there is one more thing you need to pay attention to. When the price pulls back to this demand level, the machine learning momentum index indicator must become oversold and issue a bullish cross. Only when this happens can you purchase the stock. I recommend placing a stop loss below the support level. Set a fixed profit target or a trailing stop loss. Let's see how this trade plays out. Another way to initiate a buy trade is looking for a support retest. Trade preparation is also fairly simple. First, you wait for a new support level to be formed. Second, look for the first retest of this level. Remember, the price should return to it gradually, not immediately. If the requirements are met, check the oscillator for a valid buy signal. This way of trading also has a high success rate. Now let me demonstrate how to take short positions with the first method. First, identify a support breakout to the downside. When sellers push the price past a strong support level, this level becomes new resistance in the future. Next step is to wait for the price to return to this level. Keep in mind that the price should not exceed resistance, otherwise the setup is invalid. Last step is to look for a sell signal issued by the momentum indicator. Only when there is a signal can you open a short position. The second way to initiate a short trade is looking for a resistance retest. The preparation has 3 steps. The first step is to look for new resistance to be formed. The second step is to wait for the price to retest resistance for the first time after its formation. Lastly, check the AI momentum indicator for a sell signal before initiating a trade. Traders, I hope you understand this strategy. Be sure to backtest and forward test it before trading with real money. This way, you'll avoid unnecessary mistakes. If you have questions, write them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.